Well, in our world, they should enter when we have made all of the decisions we need to have made on how our business needs to operate. All those processes, we've identified who in the business is going to do certain roles. That has changed from previously in the way we operated. And so, if as an organization, I'm very clear on that, then it's great for me to be able to bring in that solution integrator because I shorten the gap or the challenge of being able to give them information and then interpret that information into what that solution
Hmm.
should look like. If I'm asking them to actually make it up based on what I'm saying, there isn't usually enough time for them to discover enough. And so we end up where, in some organizations, they say we have 3 or 4 or 5 iterations of the design.
Hmm.
Really, if you're very clear on what you want, there's probably 2 or 3 iterations of that, which the first one is you've got very clear picture, and the other is just really refining the minor things you need to do. So the risk becomes much lower because what they're presenting to you is what you
Hmm.
thought you needed, and you can actually relate to that. Not I present something and it's nothing like I needed, and then it's like a massive change that you actually have to try and get the tech people to go through, and sometimes they've locked in doc
Yeah.
data or those sort of things that
Yeah.
go, we can't change that. It's a global setting, and
Yeah.
so it's good to get it right at the beginning and
Hmm.
then bring them in because they can do the very best, and you get the great outcome then.